Here's Linus. Linus! Oh, Liney! You want to get that toy? Good one. So the first time I had Linus in the pool, he not only was wearing a jacket, but we couldn't get him in the shallows without kind of giving him a tug. And now, now we can't get him out. Yeah, good job. Careful, careful. Oh, make your friend. They said he was going stir crazy in his room this morning. And he wanted so badly to play, so he's getting a lot of energy out now. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Get it, Linus. Oh, easy one. As always, he attracts quite a crowd. Everyone who works out back has to come and check him out when he's in the pool. They don't believe that he likes the water. Right, bud? Give me, oh, you give me that. Oh, give me that. Ready? Where's that coming from? Go on. Good job. And we'll get him in the deep end. Do a little stationary swimming, which isn't his favorite, but it'll really tire him out. Feel good on his body. You are so goofy. Linus is such a favorite here. Every chance I get him in his room, he sits in my lap. Good job. Right here. You want to take that leash on yet? You don't even have to do it yourself. Good boy. Good boy, Line. Careful, slow down. I know it's exciting. I know it's so fun. Drop it. Oh, you give me that. You give me that. Good job. Yeah, you happy? Are you happy, Linus? Good job. Oh, changing directions here. Different way. He's gonna be so tired.